Have you got a faulty basin clicker waste? Well, today I'm going to talk you through a step-by-step guide of how to replace one.
If your basin waste is jammed in the down position and your basin is full of water, either use a plastic cup or a flannel to empty out the basin. Next, grab some ice packs or ice cubes if you've got them and fill the basin up with as much ice as you've got. After the ice has been left in there for 5 to 10 minutes, the metal on the waste top should have contracted and you should be able to release the dome.
Once the basin waste is released in this upright position, just unscrew it anti-clockwise. If it's a bit slippy, then maybe just use a cloth to help get a grip. The next step is to release this clicker mechanism here, the brass piece, which slightly varies between the different models, and this bit can be the faulty bit where the spring is actually broken in it. So there's a flat section either side of it, and you just get a pair of grips and grip it and unscrew it anti-clockwise. This should then release the mechanism and pull it out. Once you've got your replacement part, screw the new mechanism into the bottom housing and then screw it in clockwise as well as the top piece clockwise, and you should have a fully working basin waste.
If your basin waste is not holding the water, you just need to replace the seal, which you unscrew the top in an anti-clockwise position and then pull this seal away from the waste top. You'll get your replacement one on and you do the complete opposite by pushing on the new seal and screwing on in a clockwise position, and it's replaced.
So what are the different types of basin waste available on the market? I'll run through some options now. The most common type of basin waste these days is a click-clack or push-down basin waste, which is operated just by pushing on it. You'll find a lot of taps these days come with these in the box. The next type of basin waste is a flip waste, which is fairly easy to operate, very robust, but can be a little bit more tricky if you do ever need to replace parts. The next basin waste is a classic plug and chain. These are very easy to replace if anything goes wrong, but they usually look better on the more traditional basins, especially if they've got a chain stay hole built into it here. The last basin waste is a pop-up, which will usually come with a specific tap that's got the rod built into it, and these are more rare these days because of the difficulties in maintenance.